Man, I want you to see something. I especially stopped just to show you this. So I just left Balandra and I'm on the way to El Saltíto, another beach. I'm just driving along, you know, through some mountain roads, and all of a sudden, coming down this hill right here, I don't know if you can tell how steep this hill is. It's a 15 plus 20 30% grade. Look, I'm coming along and look at what happens to the road. So it continues again right there, but look at what this wash right here, this sandy wash. You know, unfortunately the Mexicans, instead of building bridges, you know, over these washes, some of these washes, you know, they built the roads, you know, that go through the washes, and of course, you know, that tears up the road. But I mean, look at this right here. I just wanted you to see how you have to be careful. I mean, look, it's a turn, it's a steep grade, you know. I'm just taking you up here real quick. And you're not following anyone, you're the only one on the road. But look at this. I mean, look at this. So you're just coming along, and look, not a single sign, nothing, zero, nothing up there that says, be careful. Nothing, no cones, no nothing. And then you come off the road, and this is how you do it right here. And you see where the you know, where the truck is over there. I mean I just can't. I mean, I had to get this. I just had to film this. I mean, beautiful as can be, but my gosh, I mean, imagine at night, if you're not, you know, there's, you know, the roads of course are unlit. Imagine at night you're coming down that hill right there and you don't know, or you're not paying attention, or anything else. Man, that's bad. That's a real bad situation right there. Just something, you know, if you're not used to this, you know, if you're in Mexico, you're probably used to it, but this is insane. They put some rocks out just to tell you, hey, watch out. On the middle of the road. This is your little sign. This is your only warning that, you know, death is imminent. Anyway, let's get back to it. El Saltíto is next. I thought today was gonna be, you know, no big deal, just a nice casual drive. Well, I tell you what, this is interesting back here. There is nothing going on back here. No cell service. I'm about 10 miles from any place. And I tell you what, if you get a flat tire, you better know how to change a tire. Just wanted to show you what's back here. This is so unusual. At least it's paved. So many times this is just dirt. Wow, look at that view. Look at that view. And that's the beach right there. That's where I'm going, that little beach right there. I don't know if you can see it in the distance. El Saltíto. It means little jump. The little jump. I always pick the most remote, you know, places. And yeah, look at that. That is incredible right there. Not a single car. I have not seen a single car since I got off the main road about 10 miles ago. 15. I have not seen a single car in either direction. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, wow. This is steep. I got a downshift. I can smell my brakes. Here comes the dirt road. Let me take you along. You're seeing it live for the first time. Map says, well, the satellite view says about 1.7 kilometers. So about 1 mile on this road, this dirt road. Hopefully the sand won't get too much softer. This is sometimes what it takes to have the beach to yourself. Slow gradual descent down to the ocean. Just got to make sure I can come up. As you can see, I'm committed. There's no place to turn around. What do you think, Brady? What do you think, buddy? Brady never likes these washboard roads. Balandra was nice, but there were people. So that's just not what I'm looking for. But it was beautiful. Most beautiful beach yet. There's supposed to be a right up here just before the beach that connects this beach to the other beach. Just moments like this, guys, is what it's about. So there should be a right up here somewhere. Okay, here's the right. Let's go this way. This was a pretty neat approach. We're not there yet, but I'm glad the camera is on. The beach is just around this this hill, this mountain here. And this is the tricky part. No big deal. This is no big deal so far.